Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom see something through, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to continue to do something until its completion. He went through a really tough time in his life. He was at the lowest point he had ever been. At one stage, I felt like that was it, but my courage saw me through and I put my life back together. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. In college, the students take a break and have a chat. I hate the course I'm doing, but I'm determined to see it through to the end, so I can get my degree. The life coach gives her take on a happy life. Keeping a positive mental attitude and speaking to others about what you're going through will help see you through that difficult period in your life. Work has been up and down recently, and now he's low on cash. I hope what I have left sees me through until at least next week. Here are some further examples for professional situations. She asked for annual leave, but her manager says, "Having spent so long working on the project, I'd like you to see it through before taking your annual leave." Management discuss how the new employee is getting on. I knew that there would be a lot for him to take in and do during his first week in the job, so I assigned a member of staff to help see him through it. The company found it hard to survive through the recession. We saw it through with only one contract, and now we're back on track. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.